Hi everyone, my name is Paul. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the light bulb that is burnt out in a Sharp microwave drawer. The first thing you need to do is get the part. It's not an aftermarket part. You have to call this phone number and ask them for the light bulb that fits your microwave. This is the microwave we're going to replace the bulb in. And as you can see, I've already replaced the light bulb. Since it was such a challenge, I'm going to take you step by step through it so you can figure out how to replace your light bulb. I found nothing in this manual that describes how to replace the light bulb, so I'm going to show you. The first thing you want to do, the very first thing, is unplug it and wait 24 hours because the capacitors on the microwave retain charge. I already did that. In fact, I'm making this video because it was such a challenge. I've already replaced the light. So the light works again, but we're acting like the light was not functional. So you want to replace the bulb. Again, the first thing you're going to do is unplug it and wait. Then you're going to remove the mounting bracket screws. There are two mounting brackets. Here is one and here's the other. Each one has two screws. Once you remove those, you can pull the microwave out from the wall. Okay, here is your microwave drawer, now removed from its container and unplugged from the wall. As you can see, not really clear where the light goes. However, we have to first start by taking off this lid. And you start with that by first taking off the screws that hold in the power cord, which are here. This is the power cord. You're going to disconnect this plastic connector, and then you're going to remove this top to access the light. You have to remove all of these screws. There's some at the top, there's some at the side, including the mounting bracket, and there's some at the bottom, and then lo and behold, there's a whole bunch at the back. Just the ones that are holding this attached. You're not going to remove the back, you're just going to remove this top part. So these screws along the edge have to be removed. Okay, here's where we are in this process. We have taken off the top of the microwave. You can see it here on the side. Took out all the screws. It is now aside and apart from the microwave drawer. Now you can see the inner workings of the microwave here. What we're going to do is come to the right side as you look at the microwave, and over here is the microwave light. In this situation, we're going to put a new bulb in. You can see this one is good, and that one we're going to replace. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this screw, and we're going to remove these electrodes, and you can see here is the light. Okay, so here's where we are right now. We have the top put back on. We have put back in all the screws along here and along here at the bottom and the top. Now we're going to reconnect the power that we disconnected earlier. Here's the power cord. This reconnects with that, and we'll be ready to go.